Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best EDC knife that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kershaw Ken Onion Blur EDC Knife. Kershaw has gained a reputation for their quality EDC knives, and the Blur is everything lesser EDC knives aspire to be. It's beautifully engineered, cuts a moderately aggressive profile, has a serrated section on the blade, should you have a need for more of a saw blade, and has a diamond-like carbon-coated blade that prevents corrosion from taking hold. It's an ergonomic dream to hold, and it has just enough heft to let you know it's there. Whether you're cutting open boxes in the stockroom, cutting open poly straps on the loading dock, need to trim a bit of framing to make the junction box fit properly, or cutting bait when fishing, the Blur from Kershaw is the knife you want in your hand. The Blur features speed-safe assisted opening, a reversible pocket clip, and is a nice, tidy 4.5 long when closed. It's also very slender, almost to the point you could use it as a hunting knife to skin game. The handle is made from aircraft-grade aluminum and features Track Tech grip tape for a rock-solid grip every time. One of the best EDC knives available. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ontario 8848 RAT EDC Knife. The Ontario 8848 RAT folding knife has the clean profile of classic EDC knives with a 3.5, a US 8 stainless steel blade that resists corrosion. It also features a molded nylon mesh handle that provides excellent grip, dual thumb studs, and a compact closed length of just 5. It's the type of EDC knife that skirts the line between utility and survival gear, and the overall build quality is such you may be passing this one down to your son someday. The look and feel of the 8848 is simple and well balanced, both visually and from a weight perspective. While the blade is a modest 3.5, it feels like larger EDC knives when open. And speaking of opening, the 8848, while not spring-assisted, nonetheless opens as smooth as silk, and with a little practice you might even be able to perfect one-handed opening. The blade itself is flat ground and shish right out of the box. Also included is a 4-position pocket clip, so you have plenty of options regarding how you carry it, including just slipping it in your pocket. EDC knives don't get better. At number 3, we have the Spyderco Tenacious Plain Edge EDC Knife. Spyderco takes a distinctly 21st century approach to the design of EDC knives, and the results are both visually and functionally compelling. The overall length of the Tenacious is 7.75, and the balance when open is superb. Inside are skeletonized steel liners that help increase structural integrity without adding bulk to this Spyderco knife as a whole. The blade is available either uncoated, shone, or coated with a matte black finish that eliminates glare. That blade is 3.1 in length, average for EDC knives, and fashioned from 8CR13 Mo-V stainless steel that sharpens up easily and does an excellent job of retaining that edge. The curved nature of the blade edge makes for the longest possible cutting surface. So while the blade itself is not huge, it performs like a larger blade. In addition, the G10 scales are very grippy and make holding the Tenacious a breeze, while the 4-way pocket clip allows for multiple carry options. One of the great mid-size EDC knives that will easily tackle all your everyday tasks. At number 2, we have the Kershaw 1990X EDC Knife. Our second Kershaw entry on this 10 best EDC knives list, the 1990X Brawler has an aggressive name and aggressive profile, but it's really just a well-built, hard-working piece of EDC that you'll be looking for excuses to use. The Tonto blade comes to a nice point that's ideal for detail work, piercing things, or perhaps creating guides for screws and the like, as well as notches at spine near the handle for your thumb to give you a better overall hold. There are no graceful curves to the 1990s blade as with other EDC knives. It's straight on toward the tip where it angles up sharply. The straight edge of this folding knife gives you the ability to bear down a bit harder on cutting tasks than you can with some other EDC knives. But if you do, be careful, since this is not a full tang blade. And finally at number 1, we have the Kershaw 1555G10 Cryo. Once again we go back to Kershaw, this time for their 1555 Cryo G10 folding knife. This is one of the best looking EDC knives out there. Its blade is fashioned from high-quality Cryo stainless steel, which is the same steel used in high-end Japanese cutlery. That blade can be opened either manually or via SpeedSafe Assist with just a push of the thumb stud or a flip of the switch built into the back of the blade. Once open, it locks firmly in place. The blade itself is smaller than most EDC knives at 2 3/4, though it's curved throughout to maximize cutting surface. And when closed, the whole thing registers just 3 3/4 in length. With its gentle forward-reaching arc, the knife is engineered to allow you to apply just as much or as little pressure to the task at hand as is appropriate. Finally, the handle is made of G10 glass-infused nylon for supreme durability. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.